Welcome back to Crypto Talk, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick update on Bitcoin while I am driving home to do another podcast. So, where are we? Well, Bitcoin dominance just hit 60%. It's a big metric. Usually that's the time to start rotating into altcoins, and I've already done that. I moved some Bitcoin early this morning over to Kaspa, Solana meme coins, Kaspa meme coins. If you follow me on X, you'll find the coins I'm looking at. Some are as small as a $12,000 market cap. Others are, for example, in the Kaspa ecosystem, are only a $3 to $6 million market cap. So there's so much more room to run. Bitcoin maybe has 100% more to go if you're lucky. So I'm looking for stuff that's going to do thousands of percent. Sure, you put $200 and it goes 3, 4, 5, 6,000%. It makes a difference. It doesn't sound like much, but it's research and using the advantage of knowing the market conditions on your side. So we're also in that uptrend part that I talked about the past month, where the weekly RSI breakout is going to lead to potentially 6 to 8 months of upside. So sometime the next week, I'm expecting a new all-time high, and I'm expecting us to march even higher into come November. When? Don't know. Right now, the hourly looks good. It's consolidating. I could see up to 2 days of sideways momentum before pushing higher. Wednesdays are historical pivot days, so it could be today. We could have a big push. If not, it's going to happen probably between now and Saturday. And you can already see oversold altcoins like Kaspa are starting to find a bottom and move up. Other stuff that I've been buying and talking about for a while, like Band Protocol, is finally starting to move. There's a ton of stuff. I'm watching, for leverage purposes, I'm watching a coin called Degen. I've been leverage trading that. That's done really well. Just gotta be careful. Some of these, just the whale sells, it just screws up the whole TA of that coin. So just be careful. In terms of bot trading, I'm done with bots on Kaspa. I am only minting on Kaspa with bots. I don't trust them. I did get a test wallet liquidated from a bad bot. So I am using bots on Solana flawlessly thus far. I'm using BonkBot. If you need me to do another video on that, just hit some comments in the comment down below, and I'll do a tutorial on how to set up a BonkBot. But it's pretty self-explanatory, really. There's probably tons of other videos, but I'll be happy to help anybody who's interested. It's kind of a sniper bot. Allows you to buy and sell really quickly. And I also like the fact that it shows you your live P&L statement of where you got in based on your average prices. So it's pretty cool in that regard. And it's worked well, flawlessly, knock on wood, so far. I'm able to withdraw, not an issue. I've been using it probably 6 months now, I think. I don't know if it's been out that long. 4 to 6 months, somewhere in that range. Strictly for just Solana meme coins. So right now, the one I'm buying or got into through another Discord member was CAF, or CAVS. CLAVES. It has, last time I left, it had a $12,000 market cap, and a couple different Discords finally discovered it. I think when I got in, there was like a $8,000 or $9,000 market cap, so I'm up 40%, roughly speaking. But stuff like this, guys, you don't want to put everything into this. You want to be cautious, but you also want to get in early. So just for the fact that I'm up 40%, the amount of coins I could have purchased now versus when I bought 40% ago is drastically different at this small of a market cap. So it's pretty neat. So it's always pays to know the right people, and then always make sure that the stuff like liquidity is locked up, and things of that nature, kind of go that direction. So back to Bitcoin. 6 to 8 months. So my projected market cycle top is coming somewhere between March of 2025 for the traditional market cycle, It depends on if you pull the estimations from the real all-time high, which was not the actual high. I want to say that was April of 2021. And then you had 6 months of downtrend, and then you had a new all-time high put on, I think, in November of 2021. So if you take the original all-time high, which all the indicators, like the Pi Cycle Top indicator talked about, that one is showing up in March of 2025. Again, this is an estimation / average of the past 3 market cycles, how I got to that number. So I just drew estimations based off of that. And it looks like I'm not the only one that's kind of estimating that direction. And then if we have an extended cycle and or if things go off of the actual all-time high / fake blow off top, or the manipulated one when the ETFs first got launched in 2021, I think it was November, that one kind of projects us out towards October 2025. The one thing I can guarantee you guys at the moment is the bear market low hasn't changed. That's based off the previous low. So 2026, we're looking at October of 2026 being the peak bear market low. Safe to start rolling back into certain altcoins. Not really, but really you want to be kind of rotating back into Bitcoin conservatively from a cash position, stable coin that you trust. Hopefully USDT and USDC survive this bull market. They should. They have enough big players behind them. So presidential election, I don't see having too much of a big thrust. Obviously, if Trump wins, it's going to probably see a 40% higher boost than if Harris wins. Stock market's going up for the next 12 to 18 months, regardless of who's president. And same thing with crypto. Crypto is going to continue its market cycle regardless of who is president. So ignore the FUD. If you have a dip, it's a good time to buy. Until something changes right now, I'm longing every dip if I have the opportunity to do so. And then my spot positions, I'm slowly filling the low market cap stuff I think is going to be successful based on the sectors I'm looking at and the networks. So, for example, I bought more KDAO this morning. And it's still slightly dipping. It's one of the lowest I've seen it when I bought this morning, and it's about the same price again. So it's kind of trying to find a bottom, but great crazy prices to get a lot of tokens at this point in time when people have given up on something that actually is deflationary, and it's the first DAO for the Kaspi ecosystem. So I think it's going to have that first mover advantage. It's a winner. So a lot of people are behind it. Some people are just selling tokens because they minted them for nearly nothing, and they're moving that money into other meme coins on the Kaspa ecosystem. So that's what I'm looking at. And that's really about it, guys. I'm not going to ramble on forever. I think Bitcoin is going to be sideways for a couple more days, and you have an all-time high. We could get one today, but I think worst case is we go sideways, form a new range here, and then we have between now and Saturday a new all-time high. And then once you have a back test of the all-time high and Bitcoin can hold that level above let's call it 74,000, then altcoins are going to go bananas for the next 3 to 6 months. So best of luck to you guys. Nothing to say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the BlockGuard Discord, and I will give an update on Fusio and BlockGuard at a later date, but a lot of stuff is about to release. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.